Uy, mukhang meron tayong new kid in town. Si Itel Power 80. 2 meters na drop. May cage frame siya, no? So mukhang this is a rugged phone. 8 gigs of RAM, 4 plus 4, and 120 gigs of storage. Obvious naman, no? Kasi may military standard siya and SGS na certification. So here are the quick specs. Pause mo na lang kung gusto mong basahin. Pero ako, i-unbox ko muna para sa inyo. So, yan. So, malapit nang ilabas to. I heard if tama ako, it's going to be July 1. So, right now, gusto ko muna. Decent ang kanyang packaging. So, we have our charging brick inside. Charging cable. We have mga user guide, panundot. Tingnan natin kanyang keys. Ano tsura? Uy! Looks good. Not your usual. Solid hard case na may perforation. And here's our military standard na phone. Uy! I was expecting it to be an orange. Kasi yan ang color of the year. Pero we got a green one. So since medyo mataba yung dalawang sides niya, kaya hindi natin mas-slide out. Ayun. So medyo mas lang siya, tumbok siya ng konti palabas. Hindi ko siya mas-slide out. So, camera module, you guess it. Alam niyo na kung sino kamukha niya. Rib ang kanyang Pero mukha lang siyang rib, no? Design niya. Pero isang buo siya, no? Wala kang masasalat. So, here's how it looks like dito sa sides. Sa ilalim. On the other side, you can see tray, and this is how it looks like on top. And this is going to be how it looks like for the itel, the P80, Power 80. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, abangan niyo yung full review natin dito, guys. No? So, I think it's a pretty nice, solid phone. And hanggang dito muna ako. Kita-kits tayo sa aking full review sa YouTube channel ko. So, babush!